Imagine you're a US citizen. How can I choose the best credit card for my needs? Here are 10 tips.
Identify your spending habits. Consider what categories you spend the most on, such as groceries, travel, or dining, to find a card that offers rewards in those areas. Decide between rewards types. Determine if you prefer cashback, travel points, or specific store rewards, as different cards offer different benefits. Check the annual fee. Some cards have annual fees, but they may offer better rewards. Make sure the benefits justify the fee. Compare interest rates. Look for a card with a low APR if you plan to carry a balance to minimize interest costs over time. Consider introductory offers. Many cards offer sign-up bonuses or 0% APR for an initial period. This can be helpful if you're making a large purchase soon. Evaluate foreign transaction fees. If you travel internationally, choose a card with no foreign transaction fees to avoid extra charges abroad. Look for additional perks. Some cards offer perks like travel insurance, purchase protection, or extended warranties on purchases. Understand the rewards redemption options. Check how rewards can be redeemed. Some cards limit options while others offer cashback, gift cards, or travel redemptions. Read reviews on customer service. Research the card issuer's customer service quality, as you may need support with billing, rewards, or disputes. Avoid cards with hidden fees. Review the terms and conditions for hidden fees, such as balance transfer fees, cash advance fees, or late payment fees.